Hello everyone, this is my review of this audio interface. It comes with a USB to USB-C cable, but it supplies a 48 volt if you need to say the microphone, like an XLR microphone, it will supply the 48 volt to that. This is a good interface for guitarists, vocalists, and podcasters. I use it for my microphone that I've just gotten, so I can power it up because it does use 48 volts. You can adjust the gain on the microphone as well, and you have different inputs and outputs for your left and right audio in the back. And you can also plug in headphones into it so you can monitor your audio output directly from the device. This is a pretty good high quality interface, and I hope this review helps.